how to change currency in Emirates website. So right now I'm on the Emirates website and let's go ahead and book a flight. I'll select this country with the departure city on this one as the destination, then choose some random dates just for fun. So let's go with the first class. After searching for flights, the prices will appear in the currency of your current location. Then this is the first class ticket price for a one-way trip. To view prices in a different currency, head to the top right corner of the page and select the change currency option. A list of popular currencies will appear and I'll switch to USD. Now the fare updates. Even though the website shows prices in USD, the booking process still defaults to the original currency. This means the final payment will be in the country currency that you are in. Using the currency converter helps get an idea of the cost. Once both flights are selected, the total estimated fare and the chosen currency is displayed. Moving forward to the passenger details page, everything remains in the selected currency. However, at the payment stage, there may be an option to switch currencies, though the exchange rate might not always be favorable. In most cases, it's better to book in the currency shown on the screen for the best value. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.